a slice, shall I use word slice? Square slice. This should be the elemental structure. Okay, now you define the thickness here. So you make it a one plane diagram so that it'll be easy for you. So this is the thing, that one. So here. Just if you see from one side, no, so this will be the condition. So what should be the limits, what will take it? So it should be equal to dx this should be the dx, no? And let it be at a distance x, this one. So you can proceed like this. And for convenience, so define this theta. And this is, so this should be the A, this should be the A, and this is that point O, and this is that P. And let this be Y. So first, if you can define what is the volume of that, let rho will come into picture, no? Rho will come into picture. So what is the volume of this square strip or square slice? Anything you can take it. I'll call it as square slice. Similar to bread piece. It is. So what should be the volume of that? dV should be equal to rho into it should be y, and this should be y, no? 2y. So the elemental slice, what we have taken is of this one.
Sir, OP should be H, right?
OP should be H, no? Square plate only. Square plate only. I should square slice means plate. I think technically we'll call this a square slice, circular disc. Square plate should not be used here. Square slice is what technically we use. I'm just using. Or if you are plate or slice, both are same. Okay, dV equal to rho into, okay, this one. Volume of that will be 2y square into dx. dx is this one. Now making some all. Or if you want, you can write, you can show where that dx will be like this. So 2y square into dx, that one. So let me directly come for center of mass, where the center of mass of this will be at the midpoint of the square slice. So xem equal to x. Now there's a bracket, this is very important. At what distance the center of the square plate will be from the origin? At a distance x, according to this one. So into dm integral of dm. Next, again, let's substitute all the quantities one by one. X into, what is the value of dm? dm should be equal to rho into dv by total mass of the square pyramid. Let it be m. Anybody value total mass of the square pyramid? 1 by 3 pi, it was like a pi r square h, no? So your square pyramid volume of this total will be 2a whole square h by 3. Volume of cone, Similarly, for square pyramid, the side length is 2a. So this should be the volume of pyramid here. So now this will be x rho dv is what? 2y square dx. What is m? Mass should be equal to rho into v. This should be x 4 will come outside, 4 by v, x y square dx. We don't know x and y some relationship. That OP is what h, no? OP is what h. Look at the triangle. Anything, can you bring it? Y by h minus x should be equal to a by h from the triangle. From this triangle, a by h should be equal to y by h minus x. Tan theta equal to y by h minus x. And the same tan theta is equal to a by h. So I can replace now y. What is y is equal to now? So y is equal to a h minus x by h. That you substitute here. So xcm is equal to 4. Volume is how much? 2 of 4. This will be 4a square h by 3. Integral of x, value of y will be a h minus x by h whole square dx. So this should be 0 to h. Solve it, no? So we'll get around h by 4 it will come. The total answer will be, I'll write it, do calculation later on. Huh? You have to expand this and substitute the limit. So different shaped structures can be asked for you. Different shaped structures can be asked. The elemental structure, what you are going to assume is very important. Same hollow square pyramid will come. Try to think on that. If the hollow square pyramid, then see unless what things will come. Do calculation later on. So let me go for the next one. If there is a circular disc, plate will take it. Already we did this, no? There's a circular plate is there. Point. Now, this is a hole. Here is hole is present. What we did, no? So instead of hole, so just let me introduce the idea. So it's not that all the time there should be a hole. So what we did for circular disc, yesterday it was a hole, that one. Now in place of hole, I'll bring another plate. Now you can see this. This will be sigma. Here what will happen? I'll bring another. Let it be 2 sigma. So let this side length be L. This is L. This total, let it be L. You have to locate the center of mass of system. Able to understand now? So first what happened, I'll take a square plate of side length 2L and density sigma. I'll make a hole. In that hole, I'll fill up a material of density 2 sigma. We have to locate the center of mass of system. Instead of hole, now there can be some material. So first, what is this total system? So what you should equate this? So this is the, what is the method involved here? Instead of all, some other material comes. So what you're going to do is like this is a plate. It was like this. No? So what it is equal to? It is equal to now a square plate with hole. Plus this particular plate. Okay, got this one. So now you calculate the center of mass of this first diagram, second diagram. Then you'll get the required for this particular thing. So there is nothing called like a here. Hole is there. There is no hole. Now a material of 2 rho is what present here. Sigma and this will be this one. Okay, try now. So different methods are there. You can use your own convenience. It's not that what teacher has said. Any other method also you can apply it. So this is 2 sigma. This is sigma. First, in the first diagram, look at the center of mass of system. Second diagram, look at the center of mass of system. Then use formula xm equal to m1x1 plus m2x2 by m1 plus m2 formula. And what is the mass of this? We don't know. Mass of this, we don't know, which you have to calculate. What is the length? L. This is 2L. That of the dimensions of all are here L. Why, sir? Why you brought all? Why you brought all? I think this was the mechanism, no? Or uh, any other method? Can we assume this also in another way? A square plate of surface density sigma without any hole plus a square plate of side length L and density sigma if it is placed on it. That's what we are discussing. Or another method, what is that? This is also equal to, or what you should assume, a full square plate without any hole, density sigma, side length 2L, plus, now which one is easier? Check it and proceed. Both are same, no? So here, what is the assumption? I think now you make it this complete yellow. But sir, there is no square plate of side length L and density sigma. This is approximation. This is a method you can also use. This is another method. Fine, both will get same answer. Okay, can you try this? These are the types of questions. Instead of hole, some plate will be, the gap will be filled by some other material. This will be much easier, no? You calculate, so it will be at the center. calculate mass of this. This mass m1, no, this should be different here. So call m1 dash. This mass should be m2 dash. Then choose anything. You can choose this is origin instead of O, or you can choose this is origin and define the things. Okay, try this. I'll go for the next concept. So now we'll enter into the most important motion of center of mass. This was the main priority what happened we are supposed to discuss here. Let me have water.